Oh boy, what a day. Hi traders, thank you for joining. I'm about to show you my best day ever. I've been trading for 21 years and I never had a day like that. That's all thanks to Jimmy. Now take a look at what happened to Jimmy. This stock started today at $260 and look at the way it's just moving up. That's the first few minutes of the trading session. I got prepared to this trade. I knew pre-market time that something big is going to happen to GME. Well, actually, I thought I knew that for the past 3 days and it did not happen. So I'm still waiting. And today I came up with a plan, which was a very, very extreme plan. I was planning on a $1 million trade and I knew that I'm risking $1 million. Now take a look at the daily of GME to understand why I'm doing that. This stock was at $19 just recently, moved up over $450 just yesterday, and the way it just started today with a big move up after a big gap down, that indicates just one thing. There still is short sellers who are being squeezed out of this stock. And this has to be stopped sometime. And I'm about to take advantage of that. So I'm planning a trade in GME, and I did announce in my trading room today that I have a target which is around $200, and I'm expecting the stock to come down. I did not expect it to come down today. I did say that it's going to take probably a few days, maybe 2 or 3 days. I didn't know how long, but this time I'm going to hang on and just take the hit. Now take a look at the point where I started selling. That's the point where I'm about to short 4,000 shares right now because it moved down from the highs. Well, I was wrong. I did have a stop loss. My stop loss was not the technical stop loss because I stopped trusting GME recently. I stopped trusting the technicals in GME recently because I just learned from the past few days that, well, it's a short squeeze. It doesn't have to work according to the known technical rules. Now look at this point, I'm down $200,000, and remember my stop is $1 million, which is approximately half of what I earned last year. Now $400 down, $500,000 down, and that was it. Now GME started to come down. You're seeing it being halted several times. That's one of them, because when a stock is coming down a lot, it's being halted, it's being stopped. Now it resumes and it starts trending lower. Now it's getting to be a little bit more clear. Now I'm understanding that that would probably be it, and at that point right now it crashed. I missed that point really because I wanted to add right there under 400. In fact, Scott at the trading room, he just shorted it at 400. Now it pops up again and I'm getting ready to add another 2,000 shares because I like the trend right now. It looks to me like it's failing. Now it's hard to see because it's a fast forward here, but you need to take a look at the buyers and the sellers to understand why I thought there will be a pressure. Now I'm about to add another 2,000 shares, and look at the way it just comes down now. Very nice technical formation here for short, and at that point again halted. So I will wait again until it resumes. Here it goes again, it resumes, added 2,000 shares. Now traders, if you like this video so far, how about giving us a thumb up? It's right here, that button. It helps our channel, helps more people like you who are interested in trading. So we will really appreciate that. Now let's take a look at what continues to happen here today in GME. Now I just want to remind you, my target was around $200 to $250, but that was not an intraday target. I knew I'm getting into this trade for several days. I was surprised. Now here it is being halted again. Now at that point, it's quite clear to understand that the stock is coming down. Look at what happens right when it opened. Just moved in, halted again, and again, when it's going to open, you're going to see a lot of sellers coming in, and look at how it goes. I'm up $400,000, $500,000. And again, it's being halted, as you can see here, several times as it came down. Now look at the way it just crashes down. And that's the time where really it's starting to go back to its senses. Another crash right over here. And at that point, again, halted. Look at the result here. I'm up $1.2 million, taking my profits right here. Moved out of that trade. You see, the price is around $140. I was really planning for $200. In fact, I was saying to myself that if it only comes down to $250 intraday, I would take it. Now take a look at the results over here. I had several trades today. That's not my only trade, but definitely my best trade ever, up $1.278 million. Well, I never had a trade like that, and I hope you enjoy this trade. And if you do like to see more of my videos, you do have the subscribe button right over here, and you can hit the notification bell also if you want to be notified of my future uploads. And if you like to trade with us and join our team, there's a lot of links right here below that you can join, free trading room link and free courses and so on. And we would love if you join our team. And again, don't forget to give us a thumb up if you like that video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope it was helpful and educational for you. Thank you.